Wow. Hi everyone. Good evening, good morning, good day. Wherever you're gonna be watching my video from, Miss Sandra, your girl. How are we keeping, guys? Happy September again. Happy to September month. Happy new month of September once again, everybody. Wherever you're gonna be watching from. As you all know, my name is Sandra. So I'm a mom of 3. I'm an ambassador in a company called Juice Plus. This company is called Juice Plus. You know, they have been existing for 49 years old now. 49 years now, yeah. But it just come to, we just come to Africa Black community about 4 or 5 years thereabout. We don't know about it since all those years. Now that we know about this awesome opportunity, and now that we know about this great business that is changing people's life, that is why I'm here right now to share it to you all out there, wherever you're going to be watching me from. This business is awesome. It's a great one. It's a good idea, a great idea for students, for busy people, for stay-home mom, stay-home dad, for busy mommy, for busy daddy, for busy uncle, for busy auntie, for everybody. It's a business that everyone can do. All you just need is your internet and your wife and your phone or your whatever devices you are using. You are good to go. You are good to go. I made this opportunity of Facebook as well for people that are, a little bit skeptical about Facebook. Facebook people. Facebook right now is changing people's life. Facebook is not like the way it used to be 4 years ago. It has changed. It has upgraded. That's why you can see all networking marketing right now on Facebook. Everybody doing networking marketing. They are marketing their product or their business, whatever they are doing, they do it on Facebook. So why can't you come out of your comfort zone? You've been on social media for how many years? Ask yourself question. This hour where you're watching this video, wherever you're going to be watching from. Ask yourself, what am I doing on social media? What am I doing on Facebook? What am I doing on social media, especially with the youth? The youth. Remember that this company, 18 years old plus, you can join. If you are 18 years old right now, watching me, wherever you are watching from, I will encourage you to grab this awesome opportunity. As 18 years old right now, by the time you finish your school, by the time you are 25, you are already made. This business you have changed your life. This is a business that you will build it to the extent that you will be on residual income for life. It's a great one. We are in 24 countries. We are in 24 countries. Honestly, guys, I don't know why people are on social media. They're not getting paid for it. I know I was there. That was once I was there, but not now. Now, since I grabbed this awesome opportunity since the month of January, it's changing my life. It's changing my life, guys. Imagine that little income to support your home, to support your husband. It's a great one. It's a great one. It's a great thing that you yourself, you never even thought of it. That little income that you are bringing to support your husband, your inside him is appreciating it very well. But even though he doesn't say it to your face, it's inside of him is appreciating it. Do you know that only one person will be only one income, maybe family of 5, family of 4, family of 6, family of 7 or 8 will be surviving for only one source of income. Imagine that how that inside that home, inside that family will look like. I was there since 2017. Since 2017 November, I'm not working. It was only my husband who worked. He worked. But I was never that kind of person staying home. I know I can't stay home without doing anything. Even all my family, they knows me for that. Right from back home in Africa. I'm not that type of woman that will just stay at home. Hey, husband for this, husband for salt, husband for pepper, husband for Maggi, husband for pampers, husband for pad, husband for brand, husband for eyelashes. No, I was never like that. But based on situation, after being a mother, you have to look after your children. Then I pray that God, I want to look after my children. I want to look after my children. I want to be there. I want to be that mommy that will be there 24/7 with my children. What can I do? Oh, God, you know, what can I do? And God encouraged me to take this bold step. Don't be skeptical. Be bold enough to take that step. Be bold enough. Be bold enough. Someone say yes to this great opportunity, and it changes people's life. She's changing, you know, thousands of people. A young lady is the one that say yes, that bring this business to the, you know, to the black community, a community in Africa. Although we are not in Africa yet, but to Africa community diaspora, it was a, you know, a young lady that say yes with 50 pounds. That say yes, a young single mom lady working full time, studying, and a single mom. She say yes to this opportunity, but today she have touched, you know, millions of lives. Why can't you just grab it? Why can't you do it? You are home. You are not doing anything. You are just on Facebook, on Nollywood, on Hollywood, gossiping, spoiling people's name every day. Why can't you come and use that time to make extra income? Why can't you come and use that time to come and build a life, to build a future for your children, to build a future for your generations to come? This is a business that will give you that kind of life, to build a future for your generations to come. If you know what you want. If you are really hungry, you know what you want. Imagine a business that just come to, you know, black community in Europe. In 4 years now, we have presidential marketing director. In 4 years, in just 4 years, those are the people that say yes with just 50 pounds. That say yes with just 50 pounds. Yes, we can do it. And really, they did it. There are people like me and you. There are women like me and you. So why just keep you watching? Don't be skeptical. Ask question. Ask question, guys. Ask question. This business is booming. This business is a great one. This business is changes people's life. It's a business that will turn your life around tomorrow that you don't even know. You doing it, you will not even know that you will not even know that you are doing anything. Remember, we don't stock products, we don't ship, we don't handle cash. This company, they have packaged everything for us. It's a simple way that even a child that can operate phone, a child that can operate tablet, you will know what to do. Sometimes my daughter will say, "Mommy, no, do it like this, do this one like that," because she can operate it. So it's such a great one that we encourage you. We are in 24 countries right now. Wherever you are watching this video from, in diaspora, we are not in Africa, we are not in Africa yet. By the grace of God, we are growing. We will get there. We will get there. We are in Malaysia. We are in Singapore. We are in Finland. We are in Germany. We are in Denmark. We are in Austria. We are in Australia. Are you, are you my Africa sister, my Africa brother, living in diaspora, living in Canada, living in Denmark, living in Finland, living in France, living in Germany, living in Ireland, living in Israel, living in Italy, living in Portugal, living in Malaysia, living in Netherlands, in New Zealand, in Norway, Poland, living in Singapore, living in Spain, living in Sweden, living in United Arab, in Dubai, in UK, in USA. If you are living in those countries, you want to make extra income. You live in US, you live in Australia, you live in Canada. You want to make extra income, especially Canada, US people. My friends on my list watching me right now, honestly, Canada marketing, Canada business is booming. You can see our people are smashing it over there. It's booming. It's booming. Even though you are working, one of our team member, a nurse in US, just gave up a job this August. A business she just joined for just 8 months. She gave up a nursing job for this business. For you to know the way, to know how that this business is a great one. If you put effort, if you know what you want, if you are hungry, if you really know what you want, that you want to do it. If you really know what you want to do it, if you are not a lazy person, if you are not a negative person, you are not a lazy person, this business, you will smash it. You will smash it, oh my people, you will smash it. Imagine in US, a nurse in our team gave up her nursing job for this business. She just joined not less than a year. Less than a year. She joined this business. She joined this business less than a year. She gave up her nursing, a professional. She gave it up. Why? Everybody know our nurses are very busy. They don't even have time for themselves. They don't have time. How about a business that you are doing? You will have time for yourself. You will have time for your family. You will have time for your husband. You will have time to do other things you want to do. You will have time to travel. You will have time. That, especially that motherhood, you will have time to enjoy it. You will have time to spend it with your kids. See your children growing. You know, no nanny that will come and be telling you what happened to you, the children. Some people, they don't even some mommies or daddies, they don't even see their children from Monday to Saturday. They don't see their children. They see their children on Sunday morning when they are going to church. Then the next day, till Sunday morning again. That's not life. That is not life. If you are not happy with where you are right now, if you are tired of what you are doing right now, if you need a plan B, even though you have a plan B, you also need a plan C. That is why you can see celebrity. They have branches everywhere. Like Jennifer Lopez, now he have makeup, he have bag, he have shoe, he have clothes, he have, well, name it. He have jewelries. Why? Those are the branches. Those are the plan A, plan B, plan C we are talking about. If this one doesn't work for her, the other one will work for her. If the other one doesn't work for her, the other side will work for her. So what are we using our life for? What are we using our time for? Those people complaining, hey, mom, yeah, children, no time, no time. There is time for everything, guys. There is time. It is you that need to, organize yourself. It is you that need to change that mindset that there is no time. There is time for everything. There is time to do whatever you want to do. Stop promising. Stop, promising, excusing upon excuses, tomorrow excuses. Some people, they have been making excuses January. Now, 2019 is going. From January 2020, they will start another excuse. Is that life? That is not life. If you are out there, if you are living in any of those countries, diaspora, in Holland, in Austria, in Germany, depending on government. Government doesn't, you just taking money, you are just taking the money for nothing. Your destiny is tied down with the government money. Is that life? How about those life that God have connected to those your destiny? You are still tied them down because you yourself, that God put everything in your hands. God, remember that God blessed the works of our hand. God has already blessed us, giving us that strength, giving us that, that ability to do something, giving us that power. But based on people with laziness, with greediness, they just want to do it. With laziness, with greediness, they don't want to move forward. Some people, they believe on benefit 247. How long are you going to be a benefit? You are a benefit, or how many? You are a benefit. If you don't take time, your children will grow, they will continue. Is that a life? Is that a life that you are building for your children? Is that a future? Is that a future? Remember, remember where you are coming from. Where you are coming from, your government don't even know if you were born there, if you are a citizen of that country. They don't even know you. But now that God have given you that opportunity, God have given you that chance to come to Europe, why can't you, just use it? Why can't you use it for you to, to reach that people, to reach that destiny, that to help? Because God created everyone to help another one as well. To help, for example, like this lady that God have used to bring this awesome, this great opportunity to Africa, to Black community in all over Europe. Imagine she did not say yes to the day she heard about this, about this opportunity. The day that someone, introduced this awesome opportunity to her. Imagine she did not say yes. I wouldn't be here. You won't see any of us on social media. Don't say, yeah, they are on social media. They are on social media. No, don't say that. On social media, I know there are some people on social media that are not supposed to be there, but there are social media right now that people, even the white people, top leader, you can see them on social media, bringing their business on social media. Why? They want to go, global. They want to go, international. They want to go to worldwide. For me, I'm taking my business to global, to international, to the worldwide. That's why you are seeing me on social media. If you are a shy person, if you are, if you are that person that you are always shy, I took the shame. I know go fit talk, or I know the fit talk. You say hello, you don't talk with that. Hey, how are you? You don't talk with that. You don't talk. It doesn't matter that live video is compulsory. You can record and post. You can remember you signing up for this business. You automatically you are your CEO. You are the CEO. You are the boss. You are the boss. You are the CEO. You do your business anyhow you want to do it. Remember that the company, they already package everything for us. All you just need to do is to advertise. That is it. That is it. At the same time, you are learning. You are growing. Come and do this business and develop yourself, guys. People are still out there. You will see some of our people in Europe. You yourself, you will be asking yourself question. Is this one, is he or she, is it just coming from the village? Or where is she living? Whose world the person is living? And they will be going with big phone. They don't even know where to touch on the phone. Why can't you come and use the opportunity to develop yourself? Develop yourself. Come and improve. Come and upgrade. Upgrade yourself. You need to develop, guys. We need to develop. Huh? We need to upgrade. Thank God I said yes to this business. So honestly, I'm so happy. I'm so grateful to God. Things that I thought I can never do, I'm doing it right now. The business is helping me to support my home. The product is helping us to live healthy. The product is helping me and my family to live healthy. Guys, it's helping us to live healthy. For it's our way, the product is for our general well-being. A lot of health benefit we are getting from this product. Because remember, we are selling a unique product. A unique product. It's not just like product you buy from the shop. No. If you know what is health, you try this product, you will know that yes, this product is a product. It's a product that will take you out of that unhealthy life to a healthy life. Why can't you do something to develop yourself? Me, I'm so happy. I'm so grateful. Imagine you just plus I'm promoting healthy living. I'm living healthy. I'm helping others to live healthy. I'm educating myself. I'm developing myself. And at the same time, I'm getting paid for it. The things that I've learned so far since the month of January. I wish I didn't say yes already. I would never even know. Even me, before I joined, I've gone out of computer. I don't even know how to use computer like that anymore. Because we are going with smartphone. Even the smartphone self, we don't even know how to use it very well. Thank God for this awesome opportunity that is changing my life. It's changing my life. I'm developing myself. So I'm also using this opportunity to tell you out there. You mommy, stay-home mommy, you a youth, wherever you are watching this video from, ask a question. How does it work? That is it. Make you ask question. Not just the shine. Now shine, I want to put something for your table. Now shine, I want to change your life. Now shine, I want to help you reach your destination. Now shine, I want to help you fulfill your dream. You dey shy. You want to kill your dream. I say they kill your dream, you dey kill all that people's dream, the journal. Don't you know? Don't you know that? You think God just create you just only you. No, you have a lot of work ahead to do. You have a lot of work in your hand that God placed in your hand to do. Based on you are sitting down there, you are sleeping, and other people's destiny are still sleeping. Since I joined this business, I know how many people that I've helped. I know how many people I've helped, and I know how many people I'm still going to help, which I'm so pleased to do. I'm loving this business. Honestly, this business is real. It's real, guys. It's real. Imagine, it's real. It's just this year alone, we got 3 presidential marketing directors in our team. Just this 2019 alone. Just only this year. Just only this year. This year. January to September. 3 presidential marketing director. PMD. That's the highest position in this company, the highest. In the company, they are 9th position. 9th position. But glory be to God now, in this year, it's just only this year, we got 3 presidential marketing director, the highest level in the company. The highest level, guys, the highest level. Those people that are doing, are they not human being like you? Are they not human being like us? Why can't we just wake up? Wake up and join the movie train. Wake up and join the movie train. If you are a husband, support your wife to do it. Don't say, hey, those women that are on social media. No. You can see those people, all juicy people that are on social media, they are where, you know, behave. They are not just there to go and talk. We talk, the talk makes sense. We talk the talk that makes sense, not those not rubbish. Not those rubbish they are talking out there. If you are a man, your wife want to do it, support her. My husband paid my fee for me. My husband was the one that registered me in this business. He was the one that paid that 50 pounds for me. He supported me. When I say yes, I want to do it. The only question he asked me, are you sure? Are you ready now? Because he knew that I've heard about this opportunity long time ago. But I was shy. I was skeptical. I was shy. And the shame. It's gonna take me 3 years before I can join. Huh? People that join us are there. Look at them now. The second lady that got PMD, she's not even old. She's about 3 years now. So this business is real, guys. Just wake up and say yes to it. Ask questions. Wake up and say yes. Come and inspire health. Come and inspire people. Come and be inspired. You as well. Come and develop yourself. Develop your skill. Come and discover who you are. Some people, they are just walking on the street. They don't even know who they are. Honestly, they don't even know who they are. They don't even know where they are going. They don't even know where they are coming. As long as they sleep, when they wake up, they eat. Life don't finish with that. No, life never finish. You still have a long way to go. You have a long way to go. You have other people's destiny to wake up. You have people that are this destiny that you are tied down because you are lazy, because you are greedy, because you're just be lazy. You are tying other people's destiny down. Don't you know that the works of our hand, as the Bible says, bless the works of our hand, we have a lot of destiny lying on our hand. Each person, God created, God have packaged everybody, you're different. God, for me, I'm praying to God. Thank God, God is using me now to, to wake all those destiny up that I was sleeping. To wake them up. It's a great thing. Even the Bible says you promote health. Eat healthy, live healthy, eat more fruit and vegetable. To be healthy. So guys, it's an amazing business. You paying that fee. Don't think maybe the company is going to scam you for 50 or 60 euro or 100 euro. If you think that it's a scamming business, can you see everyone on social media talking about the business? No. You won't see any of us. You won't see anybody on social media. The social media have grown beyond that right now. You won't see anybody if it was a fake or scam. It's a real business. It's a real business, guys. Just signing up to this, saying yes to this opportunity. The company, they will going to open your beautiful website for you. They will create a website for you, which will be your shop, where people can be going and purchasing as everybody is going online to buy products as well. You go online, you go to Amazon, you go to AliExpress, you go to Dolce & Gabbana, you go to Gucci website to buy product. The same thing. The same thing. People just buy. The company will give you your website, which is your shop. That is your online shop. That is your online shop. Eh? They will create it for you. People will be going there to buy your product. Anybody that go there to buy your product, you will see it on your office. They will also open your office for you. You will have your online shop. You will have your online office. You will have your username, your password, and your ID number in health awareness industry worldwide. Health awareness industry worldwide. Right now, I have a license in health awareness industry worldwide. Worldwide. 24 countries. My license works in 24 countries right now. My license, my 50 pound. My 50 pound I pay to register is working in 24 countries right now. I'm building my business in 24 countries. Why can't you just grab it? Are you watching me right now? Honestly, I challenge you. Don't let this September pass you by. Don't let this September pass you by. Just say yes to it. Give it a try. People say yes to give it a try for 3 months. Now there are 3 years, 2 years, 4 years in this business. Even me myself, I said to myself, okay, I said to my husband, I said, okay, I want to give it a try. Let me just try for at least for 3 months. Let's see how it goes. But 3 months since the month of January to September, I'm doing it, and I'm going to be doing it forever. I'm going to be doing it. I'm going to be doing it. It's my job. It's my business. It's my thing. It's my job. It's my business. I love it. And I'm keep loving it. I love it. I love this business. Thank God I say yes to the right one. I've never done online business since I was born. I've never done, and I don't even know what. Even before I joined, I don't even know what I do. Even when I joined, I don't even know what I do. So far, I just say, yeah, this one I do. I follow instruction. We just did my office. I said follow instruction. I see say they work, and they work, and it's working for me. And the same side of it, I'm learning. I'm improving. Come and improve yourself, guys. Come and develop yourself. Come and improve yourself. Stop giving an excuse. Stop being shy. Stop hiding your face. Stop hiding in the dark. Stop hiding in the dark. Come and develop yourself. Come and develop yourself. This business is awesome. It's an awesome business. It's a great, awesome business that will change your life. That will change your generations to come. If you are hungry, if you build this business, if you have patience to build it, give yourself 1 year, 2 years. You will see a huge difference. You will see a huge difference in your life, honestly. That is why I'm here to this evening to encourage you all out there. Don't say no. Don't ever give up on your dream. Don't give up on your dream, guys. Don't give up. Don't give up on your dream. The very day you give up on your dream, your life is gone. And the very day you give up on your dream, you have destroyed a lot of dreams as well. Because there are other dreams that depend on yours. If you wake up your dream, the other one will also wake up. So don't give up, guys. Don't give up. Never give up in life. It's only dead people that are giving up. If you are alive, you are still breathing. You are seeing. You are hearing. You can eat. You can breathe. Don't give up. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Hard thing, it pays. Hard work, it pays. Don't just rely on, be waiting, like all the quick money, all those rubbish they are doing out there to make quick money that it will lay people to their early grave. No. Do something with your hand. Do something. Do something. Wake up. Say yes to this opportunity. Honestly. Wake up and say yes to it. Don't let this. Don't allow this September to pass you by. Wherever you are watching me from, inbox me on my messenger or drop me your number. I will get back to you. Inbox me. Just ask how. If you don't want to talk, you say, hey, I don't know Sandra. How can I join her? You can inbox me. I can just send you the link there. You carry on with the company. That is all. Just come and inspire people. Come and inspire healthy living. Come and live healthy. Come and inspire yourself as well. Come and develop yourself. Come and improve yourself and learn. And learn. Some people they are in this Europe, even they don't even know what. If they be in 21st century, some people they don't even know how to own computer. Talk less of how to use it. It's time for us to grow up. It's time. It's time for us to grow up. Not all the time you keep calling people to come and do this for you. Calling someone to come and do this for me. Calling this one to come and do. How long are you going to be doing that? Are you going to be doing that for the rest of your life? But this company is giving you the chance. Full packaging, Now full packaging. Not just plus they give us. Full packaging. Full package. Now the package. The package and the concept. We're going to take. They don't package jam. Package jam where basically you go there your house. You go the do one. You go there your house. You have your internet or you the do one. The package jam say, the post or the ship. They go the hawk. They go handle cash. Go sell for people. Make you come the draw money. We come and say, hey, I go pay you next week. I go pay you next 2 weeks. I go pay you next 3 weeks. Before public go come. This one not be like that. Now the company now they do everything. They package them for us. And the same time of it, they give us our our virtual office where we can be learning everything. Anything that concerns the business, the products, everything. Events, what is going to happen next 2 years is already you will see everything. This guideline, how to do, where to follow, anything you want to know, the university you want to go is on these companies in this packaging. Doing it from your home. You don't need to wake up to set alarm to run. Go. No. You just do anytime you wake up. You do it by your at your own time. That's the beauty I love about this business the most. The beauty of it, you do it at your own time. No one is telling you to do it this time. Come, don't be late. Oh, hey, no. You choose your hour, you choose your time, you choose where you want to do it, you choose when you want to do it, and you choose how you want to do it. It's a great one, guys. So wherever you are watching me from, thank you for watching. Please share my video. Share. Inbox me. Don't let this September pass you by. Don't let it pass you by. Grab this opportunity, guys. Grab it and use it. You won't regret it. I bet you. Just say, let me try for 3 months. Say that to yourself. Just say to yourself, let me try for 3 months and see, or let me just go and see if I can make December money. Give it a try. You will love it. I promise you. Thank you, everyone. Bye.